Hanging precariously upside down, this man dangles from a wire, totally unaware of the danger he is in. Horrified, locals watch as he slips, but is caught by other wires below. Luckily, he is saved by a net which has been set up below. This happened in Linfen, north of China's Shanxi province, after he had climbed up the pole and moved along the cables. When officials were alerted, they cut off the power supply to prevent him from being electrocuted. A firefighter was sent up to try and coax him down. After clinging on for 15 minutes, the man tired and dropped. He later told a reporter that he had drank a lot in a bad mood. He's now recovering, trying to remember exactly how he got up there.